Just I don't know why you need to record. Okay, anyway, I will leave it to you. So, can you guys introduce yourself? Who all are working on what actually? So most of them I don't know. Two times I see people.
Sir, only Mahesh and Jay is we were old, but rest of all are in new joiners.
New joiners. Huh? Okay, I see. Okay, so yesterday I tried to run the application. Okay, right. So the first thing is you see the alignment issues, right? This left side, it's too buggy. This left side is too buggy. Who's working on this? Who's the owner of this?
I think Shaji sir or Swapnil sir.
Okay, is Swapnil actively working on this or he's working on other projects? I want who is the owner for this?
I think Nitin sir can tell because I was not working on this. I was working on only the code review or what we have told them. Common common code.
Okay, who wants to be the owner? So look here. You see this guy. Okay, you see this. First, I'll tell you the problem. Okay, I need this to be addressed. Then we can start the active development because these are all not looking good. So here you see in common, this arrow button should be central line. It's not central line. First CSS part. Second, same thing. Now this is an expand button, right? That means the bottom one should be there. When I click on, not maybe not in this. Let's see in this here. See, when I select others, all I'm getting. You getting my point?
No, sir, can you say once again? So once again. Hello, sir.
So I want ownership of who's going to take this up. Who wants to own this one? Is Saji there in this call? No, right? Then who's going to take it up? I want one person who has to completely fix this. Okay, let me take a random person. Manisha Kadam. Who is she? Is she there in the call?
Yes, sir, she's there.
Can you unmute yourself?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you are aware of Angular 8, right?
Little bit, sir. We are just doing
Okay.
standardization.
Okay, but you own this one. Okay. Basically, what you need to do is these alignments are not correct. Okay. Second thing, this is very buggy. You see, the global is expanded by default. It's a collapsible thing, right? So when it's closed, it should show the icon. Otherwise, it should not show the icon, right? See, when you click, everything else is what is it? The ribbon effect is coming for others, so you need to look into this. Got it? And see, I selected on this one, right? It's not going to this way. So can you take this ownership and completely fix this one?
Sir, but I want we do it in next week or within next week.
Why next week?
Sir, actually I'm currently working from home, but I can take leaves in a few days.
Okay, so if you can't, okay, who's the next person who can take it up? But this should not take a day. Okay, it should a matter of a day. By today, you should be completing because only CSS issues. This is why it will take 5-6 days. Today's a holiday or what?
No, sir, I'm not well.
I see. Okay, let's take another person. Let's take. Okay. Who is this? Mansha. I'm sorry if I pronounce your name wrongly. Now, can you unmute yourself?
Sir, it's Manisha.
Manishta Borik. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm not able to pronounce your name properly. So can you unmute yourself? Can you take up this activity?
Hello, sir.
Hello? Okay, can you take up this activity? This alignment issues?
Currently, Nitin sir has assigned me some OA form checklist, and then SP has to be converted. The two schools SP has to be converted into one, and some new OA books are given to me. So even I haven't
I just
worked.
joined. Mantesh,
Hi.
you can prioritize whatever Madan is saying because Madan's
No,
things
no,
are prior.
this should be, Nitin, this is just hardly like 15 minutes work. It should not take more than that. You just see here, I can show it right away in front of you, only I can finish this. Okay, it's not that hard or it's not like you're going to write a code from scratch. It's just going to alignment issues. See here, this
Center alignment we have to do. Sir,
center alignment, that's all. See, it's having a bottom margin is there. Just you need to find it and you just need to remove that guy. See, align broken. How hard is this going to be?
Mantesh,
Right?
you
And
take
that
up this.
arrow part. Okay.
It's very, I'm very surprised. You have bugs, that's fine, but take up this activity, try to complete it by Monday or Tuesday. I'm okay with it,
Okay.
but to take the ownership, I want ownership of this. Okay,
Okay, sir.
second thing,
I'll
these are default tool tips.
Oh, sir.
Okay, can anyone run the application?
Anusha, you can run.
Yes, sir. I will.
Okay. Second thing is still that iframe, that is which Angular 1 team is doing, right?
Can I share my screen? So,
Okay, okay. So another one thing you see, the left side menu, right, is taking very long time to load. Right? It's not a desirable experience. So this one we need to fix it. Any idea why it's taking so long? Who wants to own this one?
I think we should give that to senior person in the team. Like Vivek has to take that, I think.
Vivek. Okay. Okay.
Vivek.
Yes, sir.
Anusha, what you do is you write down who has to do what, okay? In the meantime.
yes, sir.
Vivek, you have to take up this job. That left may know what Madan is saying.
Okay. We solve everything.
Takes very long. After 5-6 minutes only it comes up to it comes up with the UI. I don't know why. Maybe I analyzed because of the API, it takes very long time to come up. but we need to fix that actually. That's what my point is. Okay, so moving on, now we need to, what is the blocking between Angular 1 integration and Angular 8? I want to understand that because I see it's not functional because we already done the changes, but it's not functional. I want to understand why there's a problem with this. Is anyone working on this Angular 1 and Angular 8 integration? I think Anusha only, right?
Yes, sir, but that CSS issue, only I work on that CSS issue.
What CSS issue?
Sir, I was. Sir, when we open the application, that whole dashboard, whole sidebar and the top view, we can see that. But now when you have told that we can do check-in in Angular 1, so I have changed the CSS in Angular 1 only. I can.
Okay, please stop your sharing, no? Because it's very slow. I just like try to have multiple meetings to get this working. Okay, so yeah. Oh, here you see. So Angular. Okay, let's see. See, it comes and goes back to the login screen.
No, sir,
Right.
applications were opening. It's a transaction application.
No, you see, yesterday only I took the latest. You see, it comes and goes.
No, sir.
No means what you're saying. It's coming here. See, in front of you only I'm doing. No, comes and goes off.
Yes, sir.
So not sure. It should be functional, right?
I will check it. Sir.
Right. Okay. 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 So another one is. So what is this comfort and comfortable and compact means over here?
The spacing between the, if you click on the payroll now on the left hand side, extreme left, payroll, extreme left hand side.
Oh, left. Okay.
Yeah, click on the dashboard, any of the main link. Yeah, click on that. Then internally in the center it changes. It is not coming. So you can open any live site.
So here we can, after the language problem, after the time icon.
After the time icon.
Before time
Search.
icon, one did it.
Where's time icon? Here, okay.
Yes, sir. Before this. No, not that, sir. Before
That one, yeah. The tiles, yeah. Nothing works here actually. Yeah, click on the command. There, okay, take a bigger with more features. Like go back and take finance module.
Okay. So we need to test a lot on this. Okay, I see.
Compact means it is Gmail how it works. It gives more space and it compacts a bit.
I see. Okay. So I would really suggest this all three to bring in one icon because it's too much information. That's what I've school demo. This is at least you can bring it in the right side because it's an option you select, right? Here also you have an option. So these all you can bring into one drop down because you have so many over here. What is happening is I feel like it is too much crowded here. Okay, let me go to payroll. Okay, will this work here?
Yeah, this is what the compact means. Now you are in the compact mode.
Okay. Okay, the sizing matters. Okay, got it. Got it. Okay. Second, coming to this is I'm very particular on spacing and font size. All okay.
Yeah.
So these are all you see here. D is small letter. doesn't look professional. It should be capital letter always first. No?
Acha. Yeah,
Yeah,
that is the
and why there
application
is a,
name.
yes, yes. So we need to do something about this part. Okay.
Yeah.
So what I will do is I want someone to own the dashboard and this top column and this navigation. So any issues, that's the person I need to talk to.
That is Swapnil who does that.
Swapnil, can you give it because Swapnil does a lot of things. Can you distribute the other work? Let Swapnil help the other team members.
Now, only thing I can give that to is Vivek or Mahantesh.
I want a fresher.
No,
Nitin.
Mahantesh you can take Mahantesh.
Maltesh. Okay, let him do it because anything experienced person, they have a lot of things I don't want to disturb. So that the freshers, I can tell them what to do and I can talk to them and get it done.
Okay, Mahantesh, just take up
Yes,
this.
sir. Okay.
Asmi is not there. Asmi is the person who usually assigns ticket. Okay.
I see.
Anusha.
I'll talk to her also.
Okay,
Right.
Anusha, just note down these things.
Yes, sir, I'm not doing.
Yeah, okay. And you can raise a ticket to them.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is neat. So now another problem is you see the height changes each and every time, right? It is not a desirable experience. So you should fix one height and it should be center aligned so that it doesn't give this one actually. So and the close should have an icon X mark. I will tell
Yeah.
these things all. I will tell all of this. This all should become a standard actually. So now it's a bug. See, it's not moving. Who wrote this up? This part should test this all.
This is written by Saji.
Okay. So if there is no data, you should say no data, right? So all of this small things, now you see the data came, so much came. Sometimes only 3 comes, sometimes 4 comes. I don't know what is happening. So this whole thing, I want that person who's owning the left bar. Any bugs I will assign to that person and I will be asking question to that person only.
No, then you assign these bugs to Anusha only.
Anusha only. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So Anusha, do me a favor. No, you see this comes and goes. It's very much annoying actually.
Yes, sir.
So let's fix this one together.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's very annoying. Basically, it should not happen. It's a very simple changes. Right. So the action plan is the person who's doing the left bar should do the alignment correctly, right? And this one, if it is expand, it should show the expand. It should right now you see it's minimized, right? But still the arrow icon is shown. That should be fixed. Okay. And let's talk about this one. Let's make them into one single thing. Instead of having multiple. Let's
Here
have a
now, what
single.
happens, Madan, is what happens. We show that as an suppose there is a bell button is there, bell icon.
Yeah.
On top of that, we show some red color indication, notification. So they know that okay, there is an alert is there. Otherwise, they have to go inside and check. So there will be someone.
No, this is fine. Nitin, I'm talking about this area. This 3 things.
Okay.
Because this one, people, this one comes out and it's disturbing actually.
Correct. Yeah.
So this one, let's make them into one single thing. And language, I don't think people will often go and change. You can bring them into this part.
Correct.
So this one, I think my menu title, yes, this is a shortcut. Yes, this is fine. I'm okay
Yeah,
with
language,
this.
I
This is
agree
also-
with
These are all so useful. Same thing, this
Yeah.
school admin, you can bring into this inside. That's what I feel. Because people
No,
are
why?
not
What?
going to use them.
Why that is required is now. Actually, now what they should display here is the year actually opened. The school with the year. So while doing an accounting voucher, now some person will work in last year, some person will work in this year. So actually, it should display there because they are okay. Then they immediately come to know I am in the last year. So this school, this can be there, but language button, yes, should go there. I 100% agree. Language button.
Yeah. So let's one by one get into it.
Yeah.
Second thing, this little bit spacing should be there. I want one of them to own this header. Any fresher can own this header.
Saurabh can handle. Saurabh can handle.
Yes, sir.
You will handle it, right? Okay.
Oh, yes, sir,
Noted.
but I would need help from someone, sir. Oh, whom do you refer?
See, background help, Vivek is there, Anusha is there, who can help you. But requirements, whatever he will tell you, you have to do. Madan says.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, so a lot of things are there. I just need 2%. Let's fix this left bar first thing and the top bar. Then the iframe, that is angular 1, to be fixed. So once this is done, right, then we will go one by one, each individual thing, and we'll fix one by one. Okay.
Okay. So that is Anusha
action item.
on the left hand side, and top part should be with Saurabh.
So this left hand side CSS is doing multiplication. I will work on this angular one location path.
Okay. Mantesh, left hand side you work on that. Top side Saurabh will work, and Anusha will work on
Iframe, I think Anusha will work on that. Angular 1 and angular 8. Okay, so let's catch up again on say Sunday. You guys are starting to work again, right? So let's catch up. Try to show what you have done so far so that we can move forward. Okay.
Sir,
Anisha, can you fix this angular 1 and angular 8 issue first?
yes, sir, I will.
Okay, perfect.
Sir, I want to ask about the validation part. I can't move it to common file.
Which one validation?
So you have commented on this. If I move that, then the control line is not passing to that. So that error message.
Wait. Let me go to that. Where is it? Yeah. So here, this one moved to a single function because you see the same thing is again and again there. 2 places the same code is there.
Yes,
right?
sir. I have tried to take it from common file, but the error message is not true.
What is that? You need to just pass a get form anyway, you'll be having it, right? You just need to pass these variables into the function, and that will return you the error states, right? True or false. That's what it has to return. I don't know what's the problem in this. You need to pass this variable and get form submit. That's all you need to send as a function. Getting my point? You need to create a function and pass these 2 variables. Inside that variable, you just do whatever condition you're doing here, do it there also. Then it will return true or false. No, I think you're not getting it. Let me show you. Uniform and this one, right? Will this work?
Right.
Anisha? In your controller, you just need to do this.
What? Sir?
In your controller, you need to just add this. This will have a controller, right? A location.component. Where is the controller?
Control.
Yeah, the component, sorry. So here just add that method and it should start, you should return this true or false. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Hello?
Yes, I will do.
Okay, what is this A still? Why A is there?
But it is taking the condition that true or false.
You should use always enum. And by default, triple equal to will return true or false. You don't need to send this explicitly.
It is taking condition by SP. In SP, if it is declared.
You're getting my point. I don't know why you need to use map here. Map will return an array. So you're not doing an returning an array. You just need to use for each. For each you need to use.
Yes.
I think this multiple times I've told.
So this code review is not done. ASME is not done the code review for this, Anusha.
No,
I
sir.
think so. Same thing,
Huh?
A and I. You need to use enum. Means code review, before doing the code review, the developer has to know, he has to do it. Not every time the code review has to do. No?
Mhm. Anusha, why these repeat mistakes you are doing?
Okay. So look into this. Okay, I'll go through this and again I'll do it again.
Hmm.
Array, take,
Sir,
okay,
this
that.
thing we did. Just first select it and delete data.
Okay, just get it done. Okay, let's not repeat it because code standards we always follow, right? So most of the bugs will be solved. You see this is repeated. This is repeated again. You should use that global function, no? In your master somewhere it is there, right? You know it, right, Anisha?
Command file.
This is there. This is already there.
Okay,
You should not repeat this. Yeah.
sir, I will see.
Okay. Okay. Take a look at this. Right. In one triple I found so much issues. So it's not issues. It's code review. Try to do that. I don't know what does ABC means here.
No,
So
no,
for
sir.
that ABC.
I have just tried that status field is working or not, and I have to change that name. I forgot to change that. I will do it.
Okay. Okay. Make that change. Sir. Makes sense. Okay. Okay, guys. I don't want to waste your time. So let's meet on Sunday. Okay.